Hey guys, so today we are working on some custom shirts for a local business here in Charlotte. So this job is going to be a two-sided job and we are using TKO sales transfers for today. They are a simple one color design, and when you use TKO sales, you actually get these for 15 cents each minus the setup fee. So let's get started. All right, so over at the press, today we're gonna actually use my wallet press. It's from Heat Transfer Warehouse. It is a 15 by 15 pullout, but this one does not have the automatic release. So for TKO transfers, every time you get a package, it comes with this little instruction kit. It actually tells you how long you have to press and at what temperature. This for 320 and it's for 7 seconds. And let's start our first shirt. So we're gonna do the back of this shirt first. So the design is mirrored. So you gotta make sure you have really good lighting to kind of see this all the way out. And just to double check, I always like to kind of make sure you have all your pieces lined up a little bit. So if these are at the 4, you'll see me like push it at the 4, that's how I know. And now I'm dropping it at 3 inches each. My design is right under that 3. Done, centered. We're gonna push it in. 7 seconds. And this is a hot peel, so we're gonna peel it back as soon as it presses off. And there we go, perfect alignment. Color is really nice with this black. Then we seal it. All right, so on the front of the shirt, there is a design already that I showed you all. And this shirt is very easy to line up because we have our center line already. So I'm actually aligning my chart. You can actually get this off of Amazon. I'll drop the links in the description box below. But if you use it upside down, you just line up your center line with the center of the shirt. And then typical pocket designs are 4x4. So it typically starts where the 4 is. So now I already have my 4 line on this tool already. So I'm just dropping the design there, centered with the 4. It's not too far over into the edge. That's why you line up with the 4. So this part will probably be bent back when someone is actually wearing it. We line up our design, seeing it's good to go. Push it back, same thing. We're pressing at 320 for 7 seconds. And hot peel, peel it all off. Seal, 1, 2, 3, good. And we're done.
All right, see it? Now watch me make it. Yep, you're gonna see me switch between 2 different hairstyles in this entire video because I recorded this 2 different times. I ended up starting the video and then had a hair appointment, so came back and then I had to finish. But I recorded the beginning and the end of my video before I finished the entire thing, so y'all just gonna get the real of the real watching this video. All right, so a little bit about me. I've been doing my business now for about 3 years, but recently just decided to actually take it a little bit more seriously and start posting on an ongoing basis. I got the encouragement from my family, and I said, why not? It doesn't hurt to start it. Part of why everything isn't perfect, even down to the sound on this video, is because everything doesn't have to be perfect. There is a level of professionalism I'm going for, but we're not there yet. So I just want you all to get the information necessary to make good decisions with your business. This video was all about TKO sales. If you're looking for quality transfers, I advise you to check them out. Thanks for attending my TED Talk. My hair's about to switch again.
All right, so thank you for joining me today. If you like content like this, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I'm looking forward to getting to know each and every one of you. Until next time, bye.